Hello friends! In today's video, we will be discussing nerve repair and the essential vitamins that can and in its restoration. Your nervous system plays a vital role in our body as it transmits signals to and from the brain. Like any other part of our body, it requires proper nourishment to function optimally. Therefore, we will be highlighting the top 6 vitamins that can help repair nerves and maintain a healthy nervous system. These vitamins are crucial for nerve growth and maintenance, and can alleviate symptoms of nerve damage. However, it is important to note that this video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any medical concerns, please consult your doctor. So, without further ado, let's explore the top 6 vitamins for nerve repair. Vitamin B1 and the nervous system. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in the nervous system. It is involved in many important processes, including energy metabolism, neurotransmitter production, and myelin sheath production. The nervous system is a complex network of nerves that allows the body to communicate with itself. It is responsible for everything from controlling movement to processing emotions. Vitamin B1 is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system, and a deficiency can lead to a variety of neurological problems. One of the most common symptoms of vitamin B1 deficiency is fatigue. This is because vitamin B1 is involved in energy metabolism, and a deficiency can lead to a decrease in energy production. Other symptoms of vitamin B1 deficiency can include weakness, weight loss, and nerve damage. 2 serious neurological disorders that can be caused by vitamin B1 deficiency are Wernicke's encephalopathy and Korsakoff syndrome. Wernicke's encephalopathy is characterized by confusion, ataxia, loss of coordination, and other symptoms. Korsakoff syndrome is a chronic neurological disorder that can cause memory loss, disorientation, and other symptoms. In addition to the symptoms mentioned above, vitamin B1 deficiency can also lead to other neurological problems, such as peripheral neuropathy. This is a condition that affects the nerves in the hands and feet and can cause numbness, tingling, and pain. Hearing loss. Vitamin B1 deficiency can damage the nerves that control hearing, leading to hearing loss. Congestive heart failure. Vitamin B1 deficiency can contribute to the development of congestive heart failure, a condition that affects the heart's ability to pump blood effectively. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B1 for adults is 1.2 milligrams for women and 1.3 milligrams for men. However, pregnant women and people with certain medical conditions, such as alcoholism, may need more vitamin B1. Some good sources of vitamin B1 include whole grains such as brown rice, oats, and quinoa, legumes such as beans, lentils, and peas, nuts and seeds such as almonds, peanuts, and sunflower seeds, pork, fish, fortified cereals. If you are concerned that you may not be getting enough vitamin B1, talk to your doctor. They can recommend a blood test to check your levels and advise you on whether you need to take a supplement. There are a few different types of vitamin B1 supplements available. The most common type is thiamine mononitrate. Other types include thiamine hydrochloride and thiamine pyrophosphate. When choosing a vitamin B1 supplement, it is important to choose one that is high quality and made from a reliable source. You should also talk to your doctor before taking any supplements, especially if you are taking other medications. By following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that you are getting enough vitamin B1 to support the health of your nervous system. Vitamin C and nerve repair. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays an important role in nerve repair. It is involved in several processes that are essential for the proper function and repair of nerves, including collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that is essential for the health of connective tissue, including the nerve sheath. Vitamin C is required for the synthesis of collagen, which helps to maintain the structural integrity of the nerve sheath. Without enough vitamin C, the nerve sheath can become weak and susceptible to damage. Antioxidant properties. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps to protect nerves from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including nerve cells. Vitamin C neutralizes free radicals, which helps to prevent nerve damage and promote nerve repair. Immune system support. Vitamin C also plays a role in supporting the immune system, which can be important for nerve repair. When nerves are damaged, The immune system responds by sending immune cells to the area to clean up debris and promote healing. Vitamin C helps to support this immune response, which can promote nerve repair. Neurotransmitter synthesis. Vitamin C is required for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Without enough vitamin C, the synthesis of neurotransmitters can be disrupted, which can impair nerve function and slow down the repair process. The recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults is 90 milligrams for women and 110 milligrams for men. However, people who are recovering from nerve damage may need more vitamin C. Some good sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, strawberries, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cantaloupe, kiwi, mango, papaya. If you are concerned that you may not be getting enough vitamin C, talk to your doctor. They can recommend a blood test to check your levels and advise you on whether you need to take a supplement. By following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that you are getting enough vitamin C to support the repair of your nerves. Vitamin D and nerve repair. Vitamin D, also known as cholecalciferol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for the proper functioning of the human body. It plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health, regulating calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood, and supporting the immune system. However, recent research has suggested that vitamin D may also play a critical role in repairing damaged nerves. When nerves are damaged, it can lead to a range of conditions, such as neuropathy, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease. Vitamin D has been found to play a critical role in the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. It does so by promoting the production of nerve growth factors, which are essential for the growth and survival of nerve cells. Vitamin D also promotes the formation of myelin, a protective sheath that surrounds nerve fibers. One study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry found that vitamin D could promote the regeneration of damaged nerve cells in mice. The researchers found that vitamin D increased the production of nerve growth factors and promoted the growth of new nerve cells in the damaged areas of the mouse brain. Another study published in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry and Molecular Biology found that vitamin D could protect against the damaging effects of oxidative stress on nerve cells. Additionally, studies have suggested that vitamin D may play a role in preventing nerve damage in the first place. One study published in the journal BMC Neurology found that people with low vitamin D levels were more likely to develop peripheral neuropathy, a condition in which the nerves in the feet and hands are damaged. These findings suggest that maintaining optimal levels of vitamin D may be essential for preventing and treating nerve damage. So how can you ensure that you are getting enough vitamin D? The primary source of vitamin D is through exposure to sunlight. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D3, which is then converted to its active form in the liver and kidneys. However, many people do not get enough sunlight exposure due to their lifestyle, geography, or skin color. Therefore, vitamin D supplements and fortified foods are also an excellent source of the vitamin. The recommended daily intake of vitamin D for adults is 15 micrograms (mg). However, people who are recovering from nerve damage may need more vitamin D. Some good sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, fortified milk, yogurt, and orange juice, egg yolks, mushrooms. If you are concerned that you may not be getting enough vitamin D, talk to your doctor. They can recommend a blood test to check your levels and advise you on whether you need to take a supplement. By following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that you are getting enough vitamin D to support the repair of your nerves. Vitamin E and nerve repair. Vitamin E, also known as alpha-tocopherol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy nerve function. It is an antioxidant that helps protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals. Studies have shown that vitamin E may be effective in repairing nerve damage and reducing the symptoms of neuropathy. Here are some ways in which vitamin E can help. Antioxidant properties. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin E can help prevent or reduce the severity of nerve damage. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection. But when it becomes chronic, it can damage nerve cells and cause neuropathy. Vitamin E has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Improving blood flow. Nerve cells require a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Poor blood flow can contribute to nerve damage and neuropathy. Vitamin E can help improve blood flow by dilating blood vessels and reducing the stickiness of blood platelets. Protecting myelin. Myelin is a fatty sheath that surrounds nerve fibers and helps to protect them from damage. Vitamin E can help protect myelin from damage by free radicals and other toxins. Supporting nerve regeneration. Nerves can regenerate and repair themselves, but this process can be slow and incomplete. Vitamin E can help support nerve regeneration by promoting the growth of new blood vessels and stimulating the production of nerve growth factors. In one study published in the Journal of Clinical Neurophysiology, researchers found that vitamin E supplementation improved nerve conduction velocity in patients with diabetic neuropathy. Another study published in the Journal of the Peripheral Nervous System found that vitamin E supplementation improved symptoms of chemotherapy-induced neuropathy in breast cancer patients. The recommended daily intake of vitamin E for adults is 15 milligrams. Manage. However, people who are recovering from nerve damage may need more vitamin E. Some good sources of vitamin E include vegetable oils, such as sunflower, corn, and soybean oil, nuts and seeds, such as almonds, peanuts, and sunflower seeds, avocados, fortified cereals, green leafy vegetables. If you are concerned that you may not be getting enough vitamin E, talk to your doctor. They can recommend a blood test to check your levels and advise you on whether you need to take a supplement. By following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that you are getting enough vitamin E to support the repair of your nerves. Vitamin B12 and nerve repair. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of nerve cells and supporting their growth and repair. How vitamin B12 helps in nerve repair. Formation of the myelin sheath. Vitamin B12 is involved in the formation of the myelin sheath, a fatty sheath that surrounds nerve fibers and helps to protect them from damage. The myelin sheath helps to speed up the transmission of nerve impulses, allowing for efficient communication between nerve cells. Synthesis of DNA. Vitamin B12 also plays a role in the synthesis of DNA, the genetic material that controls the growth and repair of cells. This is particularly important for nerve cells, which are constantly exposed to damage from various sources. Regulation of homocysteine levels. Vitamin B12 also helps to regulate the levels of homocysteine in the body. Homocysteine is an amino acid that can be toxic to nerve cells when present in high levels. Vitamin B12 helps to convert homocysteine into a non-toxic form, reducing the risk of nerve damage. Implications for individuals with nerve damage. For individuals with nerve damage, vitamin B12 supplementation may be beneficial in promoting nerve repair and reducing symptoms such as pain, numbness, and tingling. Studies have shown that vitamin B12 supplementation can improve nerve function in individuals with diabetic neuropathy, a common form of nerve damage associated with diabetes. In addition to diabetic neuropathy, vitamin B12 supplementation may also be beneficial for individuals with other forms of neuropathy, such as those caused by chemotherapy or alcohol abuse. It is worth noting that vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products such as meat, fish, and dairy. This means that individuals following a vegan or vegetarian diet may be at risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. In such cases, supplementation or fortified foods may be necessary to ensure adequate intake of this essential nutrient. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B12 for adults is 2.4 micrograms. MAC. However, people who are recovering from nerve damage may need more vitamin B12. Some good sources of vitamin B12 include meat, fish, dairy products, fortified cereals, eggs, yeast extract. If you are concerned that you may not be getting enough vitamin B12, talk to your doctor. They can recommend a blood test to check your levels and advise you on whether you need to take a supplement. By following the tips in this video, you can help to ensure that you are getting enough vitamin B12 to support the repair of your nerves. Vitamin K and nerve repair. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for many bodily functions, including blood clotting, bone health, and cardiovascular health. Recent research has also shown that vitamin K may play a vital role in nerve repair and regeneration. The nervous system is a complex network of cells that allows the body to communicate with itself. When nerves are damaged, they can no longer transmit signals effectively, which can lead to a variety of symptoms, such as pain, numbness, and tingling. How vitamin K helps nerve repair. Vitamin K is involved in the production of a protein called Gas6, which is necessary for the survival and regeneration of nerve cells. Gas6 helps to activate a protein called ACT, which promotes cell survival and regeneration. When vitamin K is deficient, Gas6 levels are reduced and nerve cells may not be able to repair themselves as effectively. In addition to its role in nerve repair, vitamin K may also help to protect nerves from damage. For example, vitamin K has been shown to reduce inflammation, which can damage nerves. Additionally, vitamin K may help to keep calcium in the bones and out of the arteries, which can help to prevent damage to nerves. How to get enough vitamin K. The recommended daily intake of vitamin K for adults is 90 micrograms for women and 120 micrograms for men. Most people can get enough vitamin K through their diet, especially if they eat a variety of green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli. Other good sources of vitamin K include liver, eggs, cheese, and meat. However, some people may be at risk of vitamin K deficiency, including those who have difficulty absorbing fat, such as people with Crohn's disease or cystic fibrosis, people who take certain medications, such as antibiotics or blood thinners, people who have undergone surgery or trauma to the nervous system. If you are concerned that you may not be getting enough vitamin K, talk to your doctor. They can recommend a blood test to check your levels and advise you on whether you need to take a supplement. Additional tips for getting more vitamin K. In addition to the tips mentioned above, here are some other ways to get more vitamin K in your diet. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to your salad or cooked vegetables. Ferment your own vegetables at home. Eat natto, a traditional Japanese food made from fermented soybeans. Take a vitamin K supplement. By following these tips, you can help to ensure that you are getting enough vitamin K to support the repair of your nerves. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information both helpful and informative. In this video, we have covered 6 essential vitamins that are crucial for maintaining and repairing healthy nerves. Each of these vitamins plays a crucial role in promoting nerve health and facilitating the healing process. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet can significantly aid in maintaining healthy nerve function. For example, vitamin B12 is involved in the production of myelin, a fatty sheet that surrounds nerve fibers and helps to protect them from damage. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to protect nerves from damage caused by free radicals. And vitamin K is involved in the production of proteins that are essential for nerve repair. In addition to these vitamins, there are a number of other nutrients that are important for nerve health. These include omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and magnesium. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help you get the nutrients you need to support healthy nerve function. However, it is important to remember that while vitamins and other nutrients can play an important role in nerve repair, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Your doctor can help you determine which vitamins and other nutrients are right for you and can provide guidance on how to safely incorporate them into your diet. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos and receive more informative content like this one.